Ndebe anyị bịakwanụ na kọmanda ndị aka odo onye nke anyị esi Abuja wee bịa kurisicha ụlọ ya wee mụnye ụlọ ya ọkụ wee sị na ya bụ nwoke so na ndị ntọrị mmadụ n'oso na ndị ochi n'oso na ndị na-enye ndị IPOB infọmeshọn n'ime ọfịa bịakwanụ na ya n'ọpụtagokwa kwuru ọnụ ya wee kwukwa n'ife kpatara eji wee bịa kurisi ụlọ ya wee mụnye ụlọ ya ọkụ wee sị na agha sekuriti na agha ndị sekuriti ka a na-anọzikwa na igwe obodo fajela na ndị kọmuniti na onye kpatara igwe faji wee kpa nkịta wee bịa kurisicha ụlọ ya na ebubo a na-ebo ya n'ihu akwụkwọ na aka ya adụkwa ọcha unu mana mgbe ife a mere ụfọdụ ndị mmadụ che na ọ gbafeji ọsọ ọ sịkwa na ọgba akwa ọsọ bịakwanụ ka unu gere ife o kwuru.
Ndị be anyị ekene m unu. I have come out to speak. I have come to debunk the video. I saw a video circulating, video of my house circulating with a wrong caption, because what they wrote there was not what happened. But first of all, I want to commend the governor of Anambra State, who is my own governor in the person of Professor Charles Chukwuma, for his commitment through the development of Anambra State. Despite in his campaign time, he's busy awarding contracts and all that going on, not even minding what the side talks and the tackles. So I must give him kudos to that. Then as for the video that is circulating, I am not a member of any terrorist group. I am not a member of any cult group. I am not a member of any kidnapping group. I am also not a member of any unknown government or ESN. And I will never be a member. I can never support any organization or group that is prohibited by the government. I'm a law-abiding citizen of Nigeria. I am here to tell my own side of the story. What happened was that on the 13th of April, I was in my house with my wife and my little boy. We were eating when the men of Anti-Court barged into my house, pointing their gun at me. They broke the door and entered, seized my 2 phones, seized the phone of my plumber, one boy that came to fix this thing. I was like, what is the problem? What is it? Why do you barge into my house like that? They started searching my house. They searched everywhere. They didn't see anything. Nothing was found in my house. No exhibit was found in my house. Even though they didn't come with warrants. Trying to ask them of their warrant, they started beating me, hitting me. Now Igwe said they should bring me. I said, Igwe, let's go to Igwe. We got downstairs, only for them to see my immediate younger brother that was coming into the compound. They also arrested him, all of us inside the bus. I went into the bus, I met 5 other people in that bus, who are youths of our village too. We went to Igwe's place. Already, when I came back from punishment duty from Okuzu, where I spent almost 3 weeks, I stayed there 2 weeks and 4 days in Okuzu. When I came back from there, Igwe came to my house. Igwe has come to my house more than 3 times, including one Polycarp Ndukife. He said that I came back, I met the whole village. Everybody were agitating. The youth, the elders, and even the women. Everybody were agitating. What is the problem? They say Igwe and Polycarp sold community land. That they sold the community land and shared the money between the both of them. That's why they are agitating. Now Igwe is coming for me to go and help him address the issue. I now told him categorically, I don't want to involve myself in anything that has to do with this community, and especially land. I'm not interested. And the next thing he did was to bring Anti-Court to come and arrest me. Anti-Court to come and arrest me, sorry. When we got to his house, they said I should sign undertaking that I must calm the situation down. I was like, calm which situation? The situation I met? Do I know what the problem is? They say you people sold land. You people say you did not sell land. So where will I start from? I don't want to involve myself in it. The next thing was that they would take me to Ebuka, to their office. there's another army vehicle there, one team of army. They took all of us because the people agitated to the extent of taking the right to his palace. Yeah, a lot of people are agitating. Different people that he has sold their land in different locations. All these things are verifiable. Anybody can go to Oba and verify it. We left. They carried us on getting to Uben, in between Uben and the Bened. The next thing I noticed that the vehicle was slowing down. The next thing was open fire. Sporadically, they started shooting up and down. People came out. The soldiers at the back opened their vehicle, jumped out, and ran away. The police people that were carrying us in the bus, all of them jumped out and also ran away, leaving me in that bus on handcuff. They also know that I'm a security person. That me going into the hands of those ESN is very dangerous because I may not come there alive. I know a lot of security people that have died in that place, that they are there. So, what happened between you and the people of Pharmacy years back? You think we don't know the story? The kidnap story, you think we don't know it? How did you even manage to get that ticket that led you to House of Assembly? To start with. And you are coming to call me ESN and the unknown government. I thank God for the kind of commissioner of police we have in Anambra State. CP Urutu, who is a no-nonsense man. Money you can't control him with your wealth or your contact. He does his investigations thoroughly. Likewise, his PPRO, Tochukwu Ikenga. You can go and ask questions about me. Anybody can go to Oba and verify this story. This is the real story behind what happened to my house. And not all this. My phones are still with the anticourt till date. The Polycarp who masterminded the selling of the land, the community land with Igwe. Where is he today? He was arrested, I think, 3 weeks ago or so. And he's now in prison for murder case. Look at the people that Igwe is associating with, and he wants me to come and put my hand there and associate with them too. I cannot do that. It's not in my... Anybody that knows me know my kind of person. I have never done that before, and I can never do it. I reported you to the House of Assembly because of the kind of request you are making all the time. You can ask the majority leader. The majority leader is my friend. Even though that I'm disappointed with what is going on. Because me, I know my friends and I know what they can do. So if I hear rumor allegations, I can boldly stand and defend the person. Except if there is something that he's not telling me. Which is his business. It's not my business. Igwe also is my brother. I don't have any problem with him. If he has any problem with me, it's his business. All I know is that whenever he does something that is not correct, we will correct him. Even though I know he doesn't take corrections. But we'll keep on correcting him. We won't run away from anybody. So that is the story of what happened in the burning of that house. That is the story, the real story behind the demolition of my house.